Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where I will explain how you can install the Balatro Multiplayer launcher. It's the easiest and fastest way to get started playing modded Balatro, playing Balatro Multiplayer right off the bat. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the link that I will give in the description. It'll be the first link. It's the installation link for Balatro Multiplayer launcher. You're going to click this link. It should automatically detect what OS you're on. So I'm on Windows, so it'll say download for Windows. If you're on Mac or Linux, it'll say download for Mac. If not, click this button right below and go find the actual download link. I already have it downloaded, so I won't show you the whole process. Basically, just want to download it and then click the executable. For me, I've already downloaded it, so I'll just open it up. When you first open it up, you might get something that looks kind of like this, where it's asking for your game directory. What that basically means is this is the folder where your game actually is. So balatro.exe, wherever that is. The way you can find that pretty easily is if you go to your Steam, go to your Balatro, you're going to click the little settings icon, go to manage, and then browse local files. It'll be right here. So just click right here, and this link right here, you're going to copy that. Go back to your multiplayer launcher, you'll paste it right here, and then it will select the correct directory or the correct folder where your Balatro Multiplayer will be installed. You're going to save those changes. Right now I have nothing installed, so what you're going to do is you want to scroll down here. Normally you're going to be wanting playing on the main version, so you're going to install that one. There's other versions. You can play on tournament versions, experimental versions. This is where you will play like Battle Royale and Teams modes. So if you want to play with more than 1v1, then this is the version you will do. Also pre-releases for the unreleased versions if you want to try those out. But if you're going to be playing on the main server, if you're playing in ranked or anything like that, this is the version you want to use. So when you have that, you click the button, it will install the correct multiplayer mod version, the correct S mods, and the correct Lovely. If you want to make sure, you can go ahead and force the update of Lovely. I've done that here, and then you're just going to click launch game. So here I'm just going to launch up my game real quick, just to show you that I do indeed have the mods installed already. Here we go, my game launched up. You can see here are mods. We have the multiplayer mod that we have installed. If you want, you can even go into the config setting, enable the order if you're going to be playing on ranked, and you can set your name here. I've set my name already to Phantom. You can even change your color of what you are. I'll stay with red. One other question you might be asking is, how do I install other mods? So let's say you wanted a mod. One that a lot of people like to use is called Joker Displays. So go ahead, look it up, go find the GitHub. For every mod that you're going to find, if you don't know which ones to use, go ahead and just stick with the default one, default multiplayer mod, and then see what other people are using. There's also a list that I will also link down in the description. It's called the approved mods list. There's a lot of quality of life mods as well as cosmetic mods. You can look through and say, hey, I really like that one. I'm going to add it to my system. What we're going to do is go to the GitHub website or whatever it is. Every time you're going to download a mod, you're going to go to the releases section. So over here is the releases. And usually you're going to download the latest one. So the way you do that is you click this zip code. You click this button for the source code, the zip file. You would unzip that in your downloads folder here. I'll even show you how to do it here. So this is the most latest version. Almost always you're going to want this one. Sometimes the S-mods requires an older version. So let's say you wanted this older version. Then you go down here and click the zip file for this older version. And then you're going to want to, once it's downloaded, it will open it up. You're going to want to unzip it. So here's my downloads. You will extract them all. And then here you have the file. Whenever you download a mod, make sure that you don't have a nested folder. So you're going to do is open it up. And if you see a bunch of different files, then you know you did it right. So then go back to this level. If you open it up and there's one more folder in there, then that's the one you're going to want to be using. Once you have this open, you're going to go back to your launcher. What you can do is you can open the logs directory. So this will show you all the logs. Here's all the games I played. Right now I've only played one, which is the one I just played right here. And then you're going to go back. Back one level is Lovely, and then you go to mods. So mods is where you put all your mods. So right now I only have Lovely, Multiplayer, and S mods. If I wanted to add the Joker displays, I would grab the Joker displays. Just take it, drag it on in there. And now, there it is, now I have the mod. What you're going to want to do then is you're going to want to close out of your Balatro, go back to your launcher, go ahead and launch that game again. And now if you check my mods list, you can see I have multiplayer and also Joker display. So there you go. pretty fast video today, pretty simple process using the multiplayer launcher. So I hope this was helpful to you and have fun playing multiplayer. Links to everything will be in the description, and see y'all next time. Subscribe. Peace.